Hello, this is Ujjwal Kumar. So this is my Unix lab experiment. So this is my lab experiment number uh, 5th. So in this experiment, what we are going to see, we are going to see file processing using shell script. So the first question what we have to do is we have to find the occurrence of a given word or character in a file using shell programming. So in this thing user will be given option to find whether he want to search by character or word. So here we already have a file that sample.txt stored there. So let's see with sample.txt what's there inside. So if you go sample.txt, we have hi, welcome to the world of open source. Okay, so in the program we have to see what's going on. So search. Okay, so here first we are going to enter the file name for which you want to perform search operation. So user will be given option, though he will read file name. So we will read the file name that we have already created. So after that we will be entering the string what we have to write. So we are storing it in WD. So we will be giving option whether you want to search by character or word. So read choice. So we will be getting the choice. Now we are getting the switch case here. So case dollar choice in. So if he is typing 1, so it will go to by word. If he will type 2, it will go by character word. It will go by character. So the grep grep command is used for searching anything in Linux. So we are going to find the word or character. So we will be using grep command using pipelining and wcc. So it will count the number of character. So the same thing, it will first find the string that user want to search. So by word, so we will be using w/w. So and then after that is that. So this is all about the program. So let's see the demonstration part, how it's working. So we have to combine vi search.sh. So shell programming, so we have to use sh search.sh. So enter the file name for which you want to perform search operation. So as we already seen that we have a file with name sample.txt. So we will be writing sample.txt. So suppose we have to find hi. So hi will be finding, we want to search by character or word. Suppose we want to search by word, so we will typing word. So it's saying 8. So this is all about the first program. So in the next program what you have to do, find and replace a word character. So in this program we have to replace the word. So if you want to replace, then we have to use the some command. So first thing what we have to do, we want to replace a character or word. So we will be using it and storing in read op. So if we want to replace the word, so it will going here. We have to write the pattern, what pattern you want to replace with, and then we write read replace. So replacing word we will write and what pattern we want to replace. Then again cd set -i s/ $pattern replace. So this will be taking a pattern from here and replace from here. Then g sample.txt. So this is the command which will replace the file. So sample.txt is the command. Then again cat sample.txt will be displaying the file again. So the same goes by for the character also, but instead of that we have to just write g sample.txt and we will be writing pattern or replace and the same command. So let's see how it's working. So we'll be writing sh second.sh. So and in the program we already seen that we have hi there. So suppose do you want to search for character or word. So suppose you want to search for word, so enter the pattern to find or replace. So if we type welcome enter pattern to find or enter replacing word. So it will be replacing by namaste. So namaste. So yeah, so here you say hi namaste to the world of open source. Earlier it was hi welcome to the world of open source. So in the next program what you have to do, we have to just print the file information of inode number, permission, link, owner, group id, size, month, date and everything. So for that we have a program with name experiment tree. So we'll be seeing what's inside the experiment tree. Yeah, so enter the file name, we will be entering the file name read file, and we are checking here whether the file exists or not. So if -f $file, so if file will exist, then will be then ls -li dot file. So what this program will do, it will just show the inode number and inode details. So echo inode number ls minus l file. Then we are using the cut command. So cut will cut with delimiter. So delimiter here is space. So after every space the detail will be getting cut, and it will be shown like inode number, permission, link, owner id. So and then after that we are closing the if fi. So same goes for everyone, ls minus li dollar file. So because we are using the inode, so this will be printing the inode detail, and this will be cutting the delimiter with space, then 1 2 3 4 5 like that. So let's see how the program is working. So sh experiment3.sh experiment3.sh. So enter the file name. So we have already a file with name sample.txt. So if you type sample.txt, you can see that group number, read write permission, and then UR14C09 group honor, then date, today's date is March 15, then time, then sample.txt, inode number, permission, link, everything will be shown in a table format. So this is all about this experiment. So in the next experiment, what we have to do, we have to display user information here. Earlier experiment we have seen the file information. Now we are going to see how user information, username, terminal, and IP address, and all these things. So we have a program with name experiment 4. So we will go in there and see what's there inside. So yeah, this is simple. We have to use whoami command. So whoami command will give the user detail, but we have to here use the delimiter cut command with delimiter space to cut everything. So 1 2 10 11 12 we are using the number, and then username, terminal, date, time, IP address. So it will be displaying. So if you type whoami, username, terminal, date, time, IP address will be coming in the same row, but you have to cut the whole row and we will be displaying in some good manner. So that's why we are using cut command. So let's see how the program is working. It's just a simple program. So just we'll be using sh experiment4.sh. Yeah, you can see the username is ur14cs094 and the terminal, and then the IP address. So and the next program, what we have to do, we have to just display the login information of the file, etc.password. In this username will be display login information like username, password, group ID, full name, directory, and everything. So let's see how that program is working. So vi log.sh. So here what we'll be using, display the log of users. So echo users, then we will be taking user from cat, etc. password, then we are using the cut command to cut the every line using the delimiter double hyphen, then minus f1. Then again the same for what we have to do for username, we have to find the user. So grep $user and then minus f1. Then again for the grep user password cut minus d, and then the delimiter we will be using and minus f and 2. So the same command will go first like line by line, it will be searching for username and password. So this is all about this program. Let's see how it's working. So vi log.sh. So we will be using sh for compilation of the program. Yeah, so it's displaying username, root, then select the user from the above list. So we have this many users here. Suppose if we want to select a user with name games. Okay, so games, so we selected. So it will search for games and it will be printing username, password, and all the details of games user. So in the next program, yeah, so this is all about this experiment. Thank you for watching.